You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, I hope everybody alright. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody healthy and everybody live good and all these things. So people, today I forward to talk about, to review the highly anticipated song. The controversial song behind the controversial photos them. That is Shenseea featuring Tyga, Blessed. And people, me are telling you, say the video bad, the video clean. Don't take my word for it. Make we take a little look at the video. Zin? So here is Tyga and Shenseea, or I should say Shenseea featuring Tyga.
Wake up. Thank God for life. Look in the mirror, say I'm the best.
So people, as you can see in the first part of the video, there's a little controversy forward from, because we can see say the photo where did have grown was from this shoot. So you can see say Shenseea and the girl in the bed and stuff like that. She just wake up and say she feel blessed. You see me? But she not really did kiss the girl. She not necessarily show no farmer lesbian activity to all that. I mean, some people, it's debatable. Because some people will say, yeah, she no fear wake up beside no girl. And then another set of people will say, yo, but girl and girl have sleepover all the time. But then again, them have sleepover not in a lingerie or brassiere alone. Anyhow, still people, me like the song, me like the rhythm, me love the video. The video is very creative. Yo, me love the video. If me could have click like on the video like 50 times, me would have click it. So people, me could take in a little bit more now.
No matter where you try, you could never be me, never I.
Thing about this song. You see that hook there? I'm so blessed.
I'm the best.
Yo, it a go leave a memory. It a leave a stamp in your brain. Yo, you have to go remember that bless something there. So guess what now? If you're forward from China, you can, well, China, I don't know still. But anyway, you're forward from where they necessarily speak the language like what we speak, not talk the patois language, you still can sing on panda part there. I'm so blessed. You see me? Everybody can sing and relate to that part there. But people, yo, me I tell you now, me love this song. And the video, me love the video, which if me don't tell you that earlier already. The colors where them using at the video, the scenes them where them using at the video, and you see that little that part there, yo, Russian, how you find that sound there? People, yo, the video bad, yo. Me love the video. The video bad. We could take in a little bit more, right?
450.
Another part in the music video where I feel like say sell the music video a lot. You see the trailer scene where them get the little light. I don't know if it's LED light. That not really look like LED light still. But then again, I can't tell from the music video. But the red light where them put in the trailer back and set up that set there. Yo. It's the creativity in that video, yeah. The creativity in that music video, yeah. And people, don't get me wrong, you know. We not talk the two girls them wake up in a bed. You see me? And we not talk in the last part, right? In like the second verse, where they see two girls are wine upon them one another. We not talk that part there. You see me? Because I don't necessarily totally agree upon them part there. But we are talking the other creative measures them. Shenseea and a horse, you see me? A ride on a beach side, and that right there is selling Jamaica. It a sell tourism. You see me? And if you know say the whole of that video here shoot at Jamaica is a good look. If that song here no put Shenseea in the big league, if that song here no put Shenseea in the international market, may I tell you, Shenseea can just done and just call it a day and everything, cause me don't know what more them would want. Me don't know what more them would want. And I feel like say them get everything in that music video. So people, me love it. You see me? But hey, I want to go now drama in them or beat the Rasta man there, you know. them a go beat the Rasta man the bad. Me a wait pan foot a hype fi do one live and talk about the Rasta man the way them put in the video. We a talk about yo, the Rasta man the Jano Star and foot a hype I guess he was wrong because you talk yesterday on your live say is a blew up dolly Shenseea in a bed with. That the person there is not no blew up dolly, none at all. That is a woman. That is a live woman. So it look like say you source them wrong. But people, you no need to go check out the music video. Then I go put the link in the description so you can go and go check it out. But for me, I one of the biggest, baddest music video for the start of the year. Me no know we have like 6 months left in a year. Me don't know if our next music video can go and kick off that one the foot. But right now, that Shenseea there, bless something there, Tyga, it bad. You see me? Me give this song 10 out of 10, me give the video. I don't want to say me give the video 10 out of 10 because I still not totally agree with that little girl and girl scene something there. You see me? But, uno put it in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the song and tell me what you think about the measures where Shenseea take to promote this music video. Because we all know say it was a music video come and now we see the music video. There the photos where she take, there's nothing like that no go on in the music video more than a girl and a girl in her bed. She and her next girl in her bed. You see me? And then she did kind of there push that something there. So tell me what you think about by Ramesh Camp using this girl and girl lesbian something to promote themselves. You see me? Me not gonna really comment on it to all that. But people, wanna go and go check it out. And then I hope this inspire a lot of the upcoming videographer them. You see me? They bling blang them, which they make some bad videos still. But you don't know who me at the major players them in a dancehall. I hope, as in video player them, I hope it inspire them to start make some videos like these. You see me? Not with the girl and girl part. We talk quality and color, everything. Just nice. It's a boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what people? I'm out.
Best.